In this question, we are given 3 vectors with their magnitudes and each one is perpendicular to the sum of the other 2 vectors, and we have to prove magnitude for vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equal to 5 root 2. Now, given magnitude of vector A is 3, magnitude of vector B is equal to 4 and magnitude of vector C is equal to 5. Also, vector A is perpendicular to vector B plus vector C, vector B is perpendicular to vector C plus vector A, and vector C is perpendicular to vector A plus vector B. Two vectors are perpendicular when their scalar product is 0. Now, for the first condition, what we are having? Vector A dot vector B plus vector C is equal to 0. Now, this implies vector A dot vector B plus vector A dot vector C is equal to 0. Number 1. By property. Distributive property. For the second case now, vector B dot plus vector A is equal to 0. Now, this implies vector B dot vector C plus vector B dot vector A is equal to 0. Number 2. And vector C dot vector A plus vector B vector C dot vector A plus vector C dot vector B is equal to 0. Third, same. Now, adding 1, 2 and 3, when we are adding these 3, what we are getting? Twice of vector A dot vector B plus vector B dot vector C plus vector C dot vector A is equal to 0. Vector A dot vector B is equal to 0. Condition number 4. Now, we have to prove vector A plus vector B plus vector C square. Its square will be vector A plus vector B plus vector C whole square. Now this is equal to vector A square plus vector B square plus vector C square plus twice of vector A dot vector B plus vector B dot vector C plus vector C dot vector A. To this, what we can write it now? From 4, because this is 0, so this becomes whole becomes 0. Now amplitude of vector A, it is given 3, so we are having 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square. Now this becomes 9 plus 16 plus 25 is equal to 50. Now vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equal to square root of 50. This is equal to 5 root 2. Hence proved.